we will see here NFA to DFA conversion. We do not have any DFA to NFA conversion because all the DFAs are NFA, because NFA can include the finite automata that have zero transition or one transition or greater than one transition, whereas DFA is a subset of NFA, that is DFA has only transitions which are equal to 1 number of transitions for each state, and for every given group input symbol is 1. So here we will see NFA to DFA conversion. Some rules: the initial state of NFA is same as that of DFA, and we shall do the transition table here. Let this is A, B, C. Initial state is A, denoted by this arrow, and for each input symbol we shall do the transition state for the DFA, converted DFA. Final state means in this NFA we are having only one final state, but if we were having another final state, then any combination having any state having these two states like AC or BD or CD, these all are my final states here, and it shall be represented by a star. And new state: while forming the transition table, if we get new state, then we shall do the transition for the new states until there are no new states here, means we shall see. On getting A, input A, we remain at the same state A. On getting input B, from state A, I remain at A as well as at B, means A, B. Then from here my new state is A, B. So from A, on getting A, I remain here, but from B on getting A, but from B on getting A, I move to C. From A on getting B, I remain at AB, and from B on getting B, from B on getting B, I go to C. So here two new states, AC and ABC. Okay, AC and ABC. AC, from A on getting A, from A on getting A, I remain at A. On C on getting A, nothing. From A on getting B, it's AB. From C on getting B, it is nothing. AB is already done here. Now A, B, C. A on getting A remains at A. B on getting A remains at C. C on getting A goes nowhere, means AC and AC is done. Next, A on getting B goes to AB. B on getting B goes to C. C on getting B goes nowhere. So it's ABC and ABC is done. There are no new states, and any state here having C in it, like this and this, these two are my final states. On seeing this transition table, we shall draw the respective DFA. This is state A, initial. On A it shall remain. On B it shall go to a state named AB. Then for AB, on getting A, it will go to a state named AC, and on B it will go to ABC. AC and ABC are my final states. AC on getting A will go to A. AC on B, it will go to AB. ABC on getting A will go to AC. On getting B, it will self loop. So by using two finite automatas DFA and NFA, we have shown a language L that considers B as the second last symbol. B, after that something one symbol is required, then it is final. Here also, after getting one B, any character A or B, we will reach to the final state. If I get A, then I would again need a B and one more character to be B to be second last. And if I am getting again B, two B's, then it is already in final state.